Russia's Ministry of Defense has recently announced the commencement of mass production for the formidable FAB-3000, a 3-ton high-explosive aircraft bomb, starting February 2024. The production operations are being carried out in the military-industrial complexes situated in the Nizhny Novgorod region, as confirmed by the ministry. During a recent visit to the region, Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu personally inspected the manufacturing facilities. His inspection encompassed not only the production of the FAB-3000 bombs, but also included artillery and tank shells spanning various calibers. Shoigu reported that, alongside the FAB-3000, the production line has been expanded to include a broader array of artillery shells. Notably, the volume of production for modern artillery and aviation weapons has surged significantly, marking a 5-fold increase compared to figures from 2023. The surge in production is attributed to extensive efforts in reviving dormant production facilities and modernizing production lines with state-of-the-art equipment. The ministry highlighted the substantial progress achieved through technical re-equipment and facility enhancements, particularly at the plant located in the Nizhny Novgorod region. Post-implementation of requisite measures, the operational space of the plant witnessed a considerable expansion, with over 45,000 square meters of working area now operational. What is known about FAB-3000? The FAB-3000 stands as a testament to Soviet-era ingenuity, representing one of the most formidable aerial weapons ever developed. Originally crafted during the Soviet era, this high-explosive bomb remains unparalleled in its destructive capabilities. With a weight of approximately 3 tons, the FAB-3000 carries nearly 1,400 kilograms of explosives, making it a potent force against a variety of targets. Its deployment occurs from altitudes of up to 16 kilometers, achieving speeds of up to 1,200 kilometers per hour. Designed to obliterate structures, including concrete shelters and fortified industrial complexes, the FAB-3000's impact radius is formidable, unleashing devastation within a significant radius. Throughout history, the FAB-3000 has found utility in various conflicts, notably during the Afghan War. Its lethal shockwave extends to a radius of 39 meters, inflicting contusions on adversaries within a 158-meter range. Beyond its devastating power, the FAB-3000 symbolizes the evolution of aerial warfare, reshaping strategies and tactics on the battlefield. In recent times, the Russian aerospace forces have outlined plans for the utilization of high-explosive bombs, including the FAB-3000 and its larger counterpart, the FAB-5000M. These formidable weapons, capable of being deployed from altitudes of 15,000 meters at supersonic speeds, target robust structures both above and below ground, signifying a shift towards precision and efficacy in military operations. Military experts, such as retired Captain Vasily Dandikin, attest to the effectiveness of these aerial munitions, particularly in safeguarding Russian aircraft and thwarting adversaries. Reports suggest that the deployment of planning bombs, including the FAB-3000, played a pivotal role in countering offensives by the Armed Forces of Ukraine, AFU. Notably, Ukrainian forces are perceived to lack adequate defenses against such precision munitions, prompting discussions on the need for enhanced aerial capabilities as a countermeasure. As tensions persist, the evolving dynamics of aerial warfare underscore the importance of technological advancements and strategic adaptations in maintaining military superiority. What makes FAB-3000 so powerful and devastating? The formidable power of the FAB-3000 lies not only in its sheer size, but also in the explosive compound it contains. The utilization of this chemical compound, renowned for its ability to unleash immense energy upon detonation, underscores the devastating potential of the bomb. Comparatively, the energy released from detonating 1,400 kilograms of TNT serves as a benchmark, highlighting the intense magnitude of the FAB-3000's destructive force. To put this into perspective, consider the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima during World War II. which yielded energy equivalent to approximately 15,000 tons of TNT, showcasing the staggering scale of destruction. Central to the Fab 3000's potency is its expansive blast radius, spanning nearly 900 meters. This vast reach amplifies the potential for widespread devastation, making it a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. With its substantial warhead, unparalleled explosive strength, and extensive blast zone, the Fab 3000 emerges as a formidable threat that commands utmost respect and attention. In the realm of modern warfare, understanding and respecting the capabilities of such munitions are paramount for strategic planning and defense preparedness. Are the Fab 5000 and Fab 9000 superior to the Fab 3000? While the resurgence in FAB 3000 production garners attention, it remains overshadowed by its more formidable counterparts in Russia's arsenal, the Fab 5000 and Fab 9000 series bombs. Depending on the unfolding circumstances in Ukraine, there's speculation that these larger bombs might also see a return to production. What's striking across the Fab series is the uniform standardization, with increases in bomb size paralleling increments in warhead size and explosive charge. The Fab 5000, weighing approximately 5 tons or 5,000 kilograms, lives up to its name. Measuring about 5.2 meters in length and 1.1 meters in diameter, it's loaded with either TG-50 or TG-60 explosive variants, both derived from trinitrotoluene, TNT. With an explosive material weighing around 3,200 kilograms, the Fab 5000 packs a significant punch. Stepping up in size and potency, the Fab 9000 emerges as a significantly heavier contender, tipping the scales at approximately 9 tons or 9,000 kilograms. Stretching roughly 6.2 meters in length and boasting a diameter of 1.5 meters, it utilizes a formidable blend of RDX and TNT, AETX-2, as its explosive component, weighing about 6,100 kilograms. How will Russia's use of glide bombs affect the conflict with Ukraine? Recent evaluations by Western experts underscore the formidable power wielded by the Russian Air Force in the ongoing conflict with Ukraine, largely attributed to the strategic deployment of gliding bombs. These precision munitions have significantly challenged Ukraine's persistent efforts to maintain air superiority and defend against aerial assaults backed by the Russian military. Dmytro Likovy, spokesperson for Eastern Ukraine's military, expresses concern over the discreet yet devastating impact of these bombs. Highlighting their efficacy in demolishing structures and defensive fortifications, Likovy emphasizes the formidable challenge they pose to Ukrainian forces. While Ukraine possesses its own arsenal of guided bombs, such as the JDAM supplied by the US, their limited availability has hindered their widespread use. Recent events in Avdiivka vividly demonstrate the destructive power of Russian glide bombs, with their deployment playing a pivotal role in the city's capture and subsequent devastation. Maxim Zorin of Ukraine's 3rd Separate Assault Brigade recounts the relentless onslaught of 60 to 80 glide bombs daily, each capable of obliterating entire buildings and critical infrastructure. Konrad Muzyka, leading the Rochon Defense Consultancy in Poland, notes a significant uptick in Russian airstrikes targeting Ukrainian positions since mid-December, with a notable reliance on glide bombs. Mykola Bieliskov, a defense analyst at Kyiv's National Institute for Strategic Studies, highlights the escalating threat posed by these weapons, signaling a challenging reality for Ukrainian defense forces in countering the onslaught of precision airstrikes. With mass production of the Fab 3000 starting, Russia is reasserting its position on the global stage. However, how far will the implications of this decision change the current geopolitical dynamics? Will Russia's decision to increase production of Fab 3000 aircraft bombs trigger a stricter response from other countries? Share your thoughts in the below comments section. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.